Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Great leaders don't blame the tools they are given. They work to sharpen them. Which item has our quotes today? Let's pick this jar. If the world was blind, how many people would you impress? That's a good one. Be a light, not a judge. Be a model, not a critic. Heal the roots so the tree is stable. Don't let small minds convince you that your dreams are too big. Absolutely nothing I have, nothing to say, but thank you for making me believe in magic. Thank you for being my magic. And the last one today. I am not bound by the idea of what I should be. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios. Hey there, what are today's messages? Let's pick a card. Everything you want is on the other side of fear. Let's read these quotes today. Where there is love, there is life. You're never too old to set another goal or dream a new dream. C.S. Lewis. Continuous effort, not strength or intelligence, is the key to unlocking your potential. Winston Churchill. Every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember, you have within you the strength, the patience, and the passion to reach for the stars, to change the world. Harriet Tubman. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. Albert Einstein. Humility is not thinking less of yourself, it's thinking of yourself less. C.S. Lewis. With the new day comes new strength and new thoughts. Eleanor Roosevelt. Beautiful moments. Without forgiveness, there's no future. Desmond Tutu. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios. Hey there. Which tape has our messages today? Experience is not what happens to you. It is what you do with what happens to you. Aldous Huxley. People who need help often look like people who don't need help. Be kind always. Things to do more often. Pause before reacting. Be nicer to myself. Leave my comfort zone. Check in with my family and friends, and let others know how I feel. And the last one today. Success and failure are judgments. Focus on your purpose. Wayne Dyer. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.